We scroll through online every day just hoping to spot some new gadgets, but there's a whole hidden side of Amazon full of unique tech gadgets, and we don't even notice them, so we made this video to change that. Today, we're showing you some of the latest gadgets with genuinely cool features, so be with us till the end. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Tilt 5 AR Game Board. This isn't another VR headset trying to replace your whole gaming setup. It's a totally different kind of thing. Picture playing Dungeons and Dragons or Catan, but instead of a flat board, you see full three-dimensional figures rising right off the table. The AR glasses weigh just 85 grams, so you can wear them for hours. It uses retro-reflective tech with a special board that keeps the hologram steady and locked in place. Number 29, Spleash. The creators of Spleash came up with a smart twist on dog leashes by adding a water bottle, a drinking bowl, and spray jets similar to a water pistol. The 355 milliliter reservoir is enough to keep your dog hydrated during walks, and the spray can help keep other dogs at a distance up to 4.3 meters away. It's also useful for rinsing your pet's paws when they get dirty. All things considered, spending $35 on Spleash feels like money well spent. Number 28, Motorola Bendable Phone. Motorola has made a smartphone with a fully flexible OLED display that you can bend and shape however you like. Wrap it around your wrist like a sleek smartwatch, fold it into a stand for hands-free video calls, or keep it flat like a regular phone. The uses aren't just gimmicks, they're genuinely handy. Watch a recipe video while cooking by bending your phone into a stand, or wear it on your wrist during a workout to check notifications without digging it out of your pocket. Number 27, Trifold Mini Projector. This projector slips straight into your pocket. Open it up and boom, you've got a big screen anywhere you want. No Wi-Fi needed, no setup headaches. Just mirror your phone or laptop instantly. Colors look rich, real 720p resolution, and autofocus snaps in fast, so there's no blur. It even rotates vertically for TikTok and shorts. The battery lasts long enough for a full movie and tops up quickly with USB-C. Number 26, Portable Folding Electric Kettle. This folding electric kettle boils water for drinks or meals while using food-grade silicone that collapses when not in use. It supports preparation of coffee, tea, noodles, or formula in dorms, offices, or during travel. The design reduces reliance on shared kettles, heats efficiently, and offers a controlled way to prepare hot liquids without occupying permanent counter space or storage areas in small living setups or temporary accommodations safely managed. Number 25, AirPoint Ring. Controls slideshows, presentations, and cursor movement with fingertip gestures using this wearable AirPoint Ring. It replaces traditional remote clickers and mice, detecting motion with precision so you can advance slides, scroll, or highlight content with simple natural motions. Ideal for presenters, educators, or creative professionals, it boosts interaction without keyboards or bulky controllers. Number 24, Duoone Foldable Monitor. Productivity fans, check this out. The dual monitor foldable Smart KVM gives you two 4K screens running at 144 Hz, all in a foldable setup that lies completely flat. The screens stretch from 16 inches up to 22.8 inches when fully opened, giving you plenty of room for different work setups. The real surprise is the Smart KVM feature. It lets you switch between multiple devices, like your work laptop and personal computer, without lag. Number 23, Glow in the Dark t-shirt. Unleash your inner artist and start creating modern art right on this t-shirt. Your designs glow for about 5 minutes, and you can use the included pen, a flashlight, or even your phone's flash as your brush. Want to go hands-free? Just take a walk in the sunlight, then step into a dark room and watch the built-in canvas light up. It can last for up to 10 years, and it's super easy to care for. Just throw it in the washing machine. The t-shirt is priced at $22. Number 22, Smart Water Leak Detector. It identifies leaks quickly and sends alerts to a connected phone when moisture is detected. It can be placed near sinks, appliances, basements, or washing machines to reduce the risk of water damage. Battery-powered operation allows flexible placement without wiring, helping homeowners respond early, limit repair costs, and monitor vulnerable areas consistently during daily routines or seasonal weather changes inside residential spaces efficiently and reliably. Number 21, 21. Levitating Bulb. This floating bulb uses magnetic levitation to hover and rotate silently in midair, creating a mesmerizing 360-degree visual effect. Powered by electromagnetic induction, it needs no cables or batteries, and the touch button on the wooden base controls the light. Made from eco-friendly materials, it features a soft yet bright 60-lumen LED that's easy on the eyes. With proper use, it can last for years, up to 50,000 hours. Number 20. Self-cleaning UV water bottle. You can automate cleaning cycles to help maintain cleaner surfaces while keeping drinking water fresher between washes with this self-cleaning UV bottle. It supports daily hydration routines during travel, workouts, or outdoor activities. The bottle reduces reliance on frequent manual scrubbing, improves hygiene, and helps limit microbial growth during repeated use across varied environments and schedules without added effort, chemicals, or replacement parts. Number 19. Retractable Backseat Charger. It's a retractable backseat charger with two built-in cables, one for iPhone and one Type-C for Android and even laptops. It pushes 65 watts, so it's not that slow fake charging. It's legit fast with a clean setup, no tangled wires, and every rider thinks you're a genius. If you want one upgrade that makes your car feel pro, this is it. Number 18. White Noise Machine. A smart white noise machine produces ambient sounds such as rain, static, or soft tones to reduce background disturbances. App-based controls allow sound selection, volume adjustment, and scheduling. It helps create consistent sleep routines by masking sudden noises in bedrooms, nurseries, or shared living spaces. Regular use supports longer rest periods and calmer environments without medication, screens, or manual changes during nighttime or rest hours across different households and needs. Number 17. Smart Pet Feeder. This smart pet feeder allows scheduled feeding from anywhere while providing live video through a built-in HD camera. Owners can adjust portion sizes, set meal times, and use two-way audio to speak with their pets remotely. It helps maintain routine, reduces missed meals, and offers reassurance that pets are cared for consistently even when owners are away from home for work, travel, or daily commitments and long schedules safely monitored. Number 16. Electric Shoe Dryer. This electric shoe dryer removes moisture, odor, and bacteria using controlled heat and airflow. It supports faster drying after workouts, rain, or daily wear. Regular use helps reduce odor-causing buildup, limits material damage, and supports better hygiene for sports shoes, boots, and casual footwear worn frequently. The system promotes drier interiors, fresher conditions, and longer usability without sprays, powders, or chemical treatments during repeated drying cycles at home, work, or gyms. Number 15. RingConn Gen2. This ultra-thin smart ring delivers AI-powered health tracking including sleep, fitness, stress, and heart rate insights with up to 10-day battery life. Bluetooth connectivity syncs data to your phone, helping you monitor wellness trends over time. Its minimalist design makes it comfortable for everyday use while offering advanced metrics that support better sleep, activity, and recovery insights without constant charging. Number 14. Camera Lens Coffee Mug. Bring personality to your coffee breaks with this Camera Lens mug that looks straight out of a photographer's kit. The stainless steel, vacuum-insulated design keeps drinks comfortable to hold without moisture buildup. A sealed, spill-resistant lid adds confidence when traveling or working. Beyond coffee, it doubles as a desk organizer or decor piece. A standout gift that sparks smiles, curiosity, and instant conversation wherever it goes. Number 13. SwitchBot K11, a tiny but powerful robot vacuum with LiDAR navigation and high suction power. The K11 Plus fits into tight spaces while efficiently cleaning debris. Its self-emptying dock reduces maintenance, and voice assistant compatibility makes automated control simple. Great for apartments or offices, it keeps floors tidy with minimal setup and hands-off operation. Number 12. Qubo Smart Plug. Make any device smart with this plug that adds voice control, app scheduling, and energy usage tracking. Enable Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands, set routines, and monitor real-time power draw to reduce electricity waste. Great for lamps, fans, heaters, or office gear. It adds automation and insight without replacing existing appliances and simplifies energy management around your home. Number 11. Teeran Wireless CarPlay, a tiny little cube that instantly turns your wired CarPlay into a fully wireless experience. It connects automatically as soon as you start the car, no setup, and no messy cables hanging around. Thanks to its dual band chip, everything feels quick and responsive. Maps load fast, music plays smoothly, calls stay clear, and there's barely any lag at all. It also stays cool even on long drives and fits easily into your USB port. Number 10. Electric Desk Height Controller. This desk height memory controller allows compatible standing desks to store multiple height presets. Users can switch between sitting and standing positions with a single touch. It supports more consistent posture habits, reduces repeated adjustments, and encourages movement during long work sessions. The controller integrates into existing setups, helping streamline daily transitions and reduce fatigue from prolonged static positions during office tasks and home workstation use throughout the day comfortably. Number 9. Robot Lawn Mower. Automate grass cutting with a robotic mower that navigates your lawn on schedule, handling slopes and obstacles for hands-free yard care. Set boundaries and routines via app control, and let the bot maintain neat grass while you focus on other tasks. A breakthrough for smart outdoor upkeep. Number 8. Smart Charging Station. Declutter your desk with a smart charging hub that organizes cables, powers multiple devices, and shows real-time status on a small built-in display. Excellent for busy workstations or homes with lots of gadgets. It simplifies power delivery and keeps everything visible at once, giving your table or working place look organized and simple. Number 7. Digital Air Quality Monitor. The data is displayed constantly and recognized by this device. It detects poor ventilation and adjusts airflow accordingly. It supports healthier indoor environments for work, rest, or sleep by highlighting changes over time. Useful in homes or offices, it assists people managing allergies, pets, or long indoor hours with awareness of surrounding air conditions and comfort trends throughout the day, night, and seasons. Number 6. Meta Quest 3. Step into a new era of VR with breathtaking 4K resolution and nearly 30% sharper visuals. Play untethered with wireless freedom, powered by the Snapdragon X R2 Gen 2 for lightning-fast graphics and smooth performance. Blend real and virtual worlds with dual RGB cameras, while 8 GB of RAM and over 2 hours of battery life keep the action flowing. Number 5. RENPHO Eyeris 3. Take eye care to the next level with this FSA-eligible massager. Perfect for relieving strain, migraines, and fatigue. It has all heat, cooling, and customizable massage modes with voice-activated control for effortless use. Adjustable pressure, vibration, and compression target eyes and temples, while a removable cooling mask and flexible headband ensure comfort for all users. Number 4. Loyker X6. Discover safe and precise ear care with the Loyker Ear Cleaner. Adjustable silicone ear picks gently remove wax, perfect for ASMR enthusiasts. The HD otoscope captures real-time, 360-degree wide-angle images with 6 LED lights, while a 6-axis gyroscope stabilizes every shot. Designed for convenience, its waterproof lens is easy to clean and resists fogging. This all-in-one kit combines safety, clarity, and comfort for an exceptional ear cleaning experience. Number 3. SCRIB3D Printing Pen. Unleash your creativity with this versatile 3D pen that turns ideas into three-dimensional art. Its stepless speed control and temperature settings for PLA and ABS filaments make intricate designs and faster projects a breeze. The kit comes with 3 filament colors, a power adapter, a manual, and a stencil guide, offering everything you need to start. Number 2. LC-dolida Sleep Headphones. Sleep soundly with the LC-dolida 3-in-1 Bluetooth sleep mask, combining soft eye coverage with wireless headphones. Enjoy immersive HD stereo music for long hours after a quick charge, thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. The 3D contoured design eliminates pressure on the eyes, while adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit. It blocks light effectively and offers comfortable, undisturbed rest. Number 1. Pro Laser Rangefinder. This laser rangefinder delivers the top-tier performance with unique color options. It calculates slope-adjusted distances with precision, measuring up to 1,000 yards at 6 times magnification. Displaying in yards or meters, it features pin acquisition technology to lock onto targets up to 300 yards, and provides pulse confirmation through a brief vibration, helping golfers get accurate readings for every shot. And that's all. If you love these gadgets, click that like button and drop a comment on on which one you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Geek for more insane gadgets. Thank you for watching.